Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might want to transfer your Bitcoin from Robinhood to Metamask for more control and access to decentralized apps. Today, I'll walk you through this step-by-step process so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few things set up. You'll need a verified Robinhood account with some Bitcoin in it, and Metamask installed on your phone or browser. Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, but you can manage Bitcoin by connecting it or using a compatible wallet. Also, double-check that your accounts are secure and you've enabled two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website and head over to your portfolio. Find your Bitcoin holdings. It's usually under the crypto section. Once you're there, look for the option to withdraw or transfer out. This might say something like, send, or withdraw crypto. Step 2. When you select withdraw, you'll need to enter a wallet address. Here's where Metamask comes in. Open your Metamask wallet, make sure you're on the correct network. Actually for Bitcoin, you'll need a Bitcoin-compatible address. If Metamask isn't directly set up for BTC, you might have to use a bridge solution or export an address from another wallet. Enter that address carefully into Robinhood, and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, Bitcoin transactions can have fees, so check those first. Step 3. Review the details of your transaction. Make sure the address is correct because crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit confirm. Robinhood will process the withdrawal, and it might take a few minutes to a few hours for the Bitcoin to appear in your wallet, depending on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address by copying and pasting it directly. Don't type it out to avoid errors. Also, keep an eye on any gas fees or network changes, as crypto evolves fast. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now transferred from Robinhood to Metamask. This gives you more freedom in the crypto space. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.